Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? Boats and coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. What go on, peeps? Are we there with another?
Why you doing John Cross?
But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. But anyway, peeps, here we are going here. No itching. Yesterday was election day. Jamaica come out and stunting. And the fastest recording me ever see are going in a life. All the things are going. Voting, excitement on the road. One back I think we have like pretty much a compilation figure, you know. I'm gonna say what's been happening in the streets. Yeah, from the day, go up in the night, and be a thing. So here, no more itching. Right tonight, vibes time. Woo!
Right, that's all. Yeah. Yeah, Craig. Black traffic alone. Careful, stop. How are you here, boy? Has it dead or go?
Labor right as a blood clot dead. And to all it is a party dead. Call me. 3 grand sing, 5 grand sing and ball, 7 grand sing ball and roll. A few claw bar dig up a green cup now 10 grand a country price. And if you want to bury a labor party a country, 5 grand sing, 7 grand sing ball and roll, 10 grand sing ball and roll. A few claw bar dig up a green cup and 15 grand.
Rupert, how are you going to vote for?
For the bell.
For the what?
Yes!
For the what?
It's bell. You know bell up at church. Drinking.
Beside that bell.
You put your ex beside that bell? Show me your finger where you vote pan.
My God.
And you put it beside that bell?
Yeah.
So then tell us to put it.
Yeah.
Lord Jesus, this is sign to blood clot. Sign this, what's your orange shirt? Sign this.
And talk to my own opinion. I make my talk. I say what I want to say. If you see my blood clot picture when I stroll up in the news feed and I don't like it, uno guano. Look at my style, Mr. Phone the picture, I don't like it. I'm going, why don't you leave me alone? Me trouble, uno. Because it's a labor right to not take set from me. Yes, yeah, guys, my godfather. Yeah. I want all the things I'm not stop to show I'm born in a labor right lane, my born in a labor right house, me's a labor right. Jennifer is a labor right and all of is a labor right and me will always be a labor right. So if you don't want yes, me's a labor right, do not delete me. Today. Thanks.
What's your name?
William.
Corey. I see you have on a Carry PNP shirt. Are you living in the past?
What do you mean past?
Because Carry has moved on to the Jamaica Labour Party.
What caused that? Because our father was originally a comrade, I should say, Mr. Easton Douglas. What do you mean past? What do you mean past 19? Eh? So PNP is in the past, that's what you are saying?
No, I'm saying Carry has moved on from orange to green.
To what? Eh? She don't want ripe again, she want green. Eh? So what you say? Eh? What are you saying?
Who are you supporting?
You're blind? What is on the top of the cap? You can't see. You want glasses?
So even though you're wearing your branding, you're wearing a Carry branded T-shirt, right? You're supporting Julian Robinson.
Most definitely.
Okay.
The colors say that and the words say that. Did you see JLP on the top of the cap? No, you didn't. Don't it? Where them coming from? Eh? Them jump ship because of what? Eh? Scarce benefit and spoils. Think about it. Mr. Douglas was our father, Mr. Easton Douglas, who was the MP in this constituency. How long? Never lost this seat. So why should he do that? They get it free, you know, and she jump the fence and the dance free. What caused that? You tell me about it.
Yeah. Yeah. No orange leaf.
How's the voting process been like so far this
Well,
time?
it has been wonderful. It has been wonderful. Power to the people. We are taking back Jamaica because we are tired. We are tired. You see? We're tired. We mean things because they say we haven't done anything for 18 years. They have had 4 years. 4 years to do whatever they say we didn't do to make it right. I know nothing can happen. So we have to take back the country. Just straight so. We're tired of under-noseness.
If you're not victorious in this election, will you be stepping down as the leader of the People's National Party?
Certainly, yes.
You would be stepping down, sir?
Yes.
And will you also be stepping down as Member of Parliament?
All in good time.
How much do
Why?
you think your performance in the national take for the party?
What is clear to me is that we said what we had to say, and I think that the debate offered an opportunity to show that there was a lot of PR without real substance in people's experience.
Sir, I want to go back to stepping down. I'm sorry. Yeah. So are you saying, just to be clear, that if you lose the election today, that you're going to be retiring from politics or stepping down as party leader?
Both.
Where you ball for? Where you ball for?
Alright, peeps. I be things go on the road though. Yes, man, the people about and stunting, man. Session a keep man a roll pan floor. Big sound a play, people a jump up on police. Yo, Man with suitcase a walk in a road. Yo, the people are cuss. I be your things. But me really hope we enjoy the one bag of excitement, cause it was a lot of excitement. But guess what? I still have concerns. Me not see nobody a social distancing. Me not see no mask on no face. Me not see nobody a walk around with no sanitizer like that. Ah, boy. But in the midst of everything, big up on yourself, big up our supporters. People go up there and represent them side. You know what I mean? Them party. I should say why that sound like a football team, but side. Yeah, man, but big up yourself. Mr. Andrew Holness on another victory again. I think he's the first Prime Minister to be elected consecutively, back to back. Since 1960 something. That's very, very long. But big up yourself again. And thank you very much, guys, for watching. Happy Friday. Wanna please stay safe and sanitize. Do me a beg, social distancing. If you have no reason to go up on the road, and your yard, stay inside. What you want to do? Inside. Anyway, peace. Journey with your boy. Ashoo!
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving out the window. Having 9 3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.